friends. Happy Monday. Welcome back. I hope you guys did something outside this weekend because it was gorgeous. We played with spray and pink hair dye for the kids. So here's the deal. I received numerous messages from my students and their parents alike, pointing out that you guys were having trouble uploading the file on that assignment. So I'm talking about on the week of April 20th module that had the Life Doesn't Frighten Me poem. There were questions about the poem, and then at the end you wrote an argumentative essay and uploaded the file. A lot of people were having difficulty getting their file to upload. So, what I've decided, I think the only fair thing for me to do in this case is give everyone full credit for the essay. So if you did the essay, worked really hard, you were able to upload it, great, you got 40 points for it. If you did the essay and you're freaking out because you couldn't figure out a way to get it to me, you're good. You get 40 points. If you didn't do it and you're just now realizing there was even an assignment last week, you're in luck. You got 40 free points. So, if you didn't do that assignment, go do it right now. What else? I'll be online at 1 today to answer questions. The only thing is...
Question.
Yes. I've got a ton of meetings today that keep getting moved around. So hopefully it won't lead me to having to cancel today's session. Either way, I'll be online on Wednesday. Please join me for the online sessions. I try to make them at least kind of fun. We're not always talking about schoolwork. On Fridays, yes, I go over the lesson for the following week. But on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, sometimes we do Kahoots. Sometimes last week we did a bunch of brain teaser puzzles, which was kind of fun. We got stumped on a couple, but most of them we did good on. And then other times we just chit chat, because I miss you guys. I want to hear from you. I want to see your beautiful smiling faces. I miss y'all. I teach because I love kids, so come see me at 1. Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Quit pulling my hair, dude. I love you guys. I'm proud of you, and I miss you. Have a great week.